Welcome. So in this video, we're going to go through question 7 here and work through part A. It says, these shapes are semicircles. Find the perimeter of these shapes, including the straight edge, and round the answer to 2 decimal places. All right, so here is the shape that we've been given right here, and we need to find the perimeter of it. So that means we need to find the perimeter of all of this. So all of that, that's what we're after, the length of everything that I've underlined there. Now, the way we're going to think about this question is let's just picture this as a whole circle. So at the moment, it's a semicircle, it's half a circle, but let's just picture a whole one. So I'm going to draw a whole circle like this with a diameter of 25. So I will do that. I'm going to say that this is 25. And we know how to find the circumference of a whole circle. The circumference of a whole circle is just pi times the diameter. So it's going to be pi times 25. And a better way to write that is just 25 pi, because remember, the number always goes at the front. Now, that's if we want the entire circumference of this thing. We don't want the entire circumference. We just want half of it. As you can see, we just want half of the circumference. So what do you think we're going to do? Well, to get half of the circumference, we will divide it by 2. And now what we have found is this section right here. So I could come here and I could just label this as the round part. But I'm not done yet, because as you can see up in my diagram here, I still have to account for this. And that's what the question calls the straight edge. So looking at my diagram here, I need to add this onto it. Now we know that this is 25 centimeters. So we're going to plus on 25 to that. And that is the straight part. Straight part. So we've got our round part, we've got our straight part. We're now going to add those together and we will get our answer. So let's come over here, whoops, and let's use our calculator to do this. Whoops, come on, there we go. All right, so I'm going to go 25 times pi equals this, but then I need to halve it, so divide it by 2 is that. Then I need a plus 25 onto it. Plus 25 is going to be 64.2699. Now, the question did say that I need to round it to 2 decimal places. So that means my final answer will be 64.27, because this 9 will round up this 6 to a 7. So it will be my final answer 64.27 centimeters. And that is it. That is how you answer these types of questions. Hopefully, seeing this part A, you'll be able to answer the rest of the questions in question 7. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.